Still cricket. Hey garden friends, had to get you straight. Welcome back to Flower Patch. And we are in the greenhouse, as you can tell, still. A little dark because the snow's still covering this side, but hopefully after the next week it will be off. Ooh, this is kind of frozen. I was hoping to start up or pre-sprout my dahlias. I had ordered dahlias, as you do, and normally we don't have this much snow. So I've had them, they came and I had them in my house, and that's not good. It's too hot, and I need to get them planted. Now, right now I don't have enough potting soil to plant them up into 1 gallon pots. So I thought I would put them in this tray. This is a plant tray you get at the nursery. This one has perforation, so it has drainage holes. I will pop it inside one that doesn't have drainage holes for a little bit. And here is one of my dahlias I got. These ones are a white. I got these from K. Borgindian. I'll put the name up. I can't pronounce it. It's foreign. Sorry. Anyways, these are 5, and these ones are a white one. What is it called? Dahlia Go-Go White. I love white flowers in my garden. They're such a beautiful, calming presence with all the other bright colors and foliage. So I am going to put these in here, and I just spread out their octopus legs onto the soil. Back to my planting. Hopefully I can fit all 5 in here. I probably could cut some of the octopus legs off to make it fit better if I needed to, because those are not all of them are imperative to it surviving. Now I want to do this so I can take cuttings from them if I wish to. We'll see how my season goes, how much room I'm going to have. I think these would be gorgeous in the alley that I'm going to make of climbing roses and clematis. I have another package in there, and I bought a package at Costco that I can also use. Is that 5? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, cool. That will work just fine, and they have room. So I'll move this one over. I will move this one over, and I will fill in around them with some soil. I'll go ahead and put this. It's probably peat moss. I'm not a big fan of using peat moss, but if it's in here, I'll use it. No sense in throwing it in the trash. But let me throw this away. Try to keep tidy in my messy, messy greenhouse right now. It's probably frozen. That's not a good thing to put on them. They don't like it being that cold. It's still pretty cold in here, but they shall do fine. If I'm worried about it, I will take them in the house. But I think they're going to be fine. It's going to warm up into the 40s tonight, and that's why we're getting rain instead of snow. So I think they shall be fine. And I do not heat my greenhouse here. Someone asked me how I heat it, and I don't. It would just be way too expensive to heat it with electric or anything else, really. So it's just, I guess you would call it a glorified cold frame. But boy, those winds are starting to come up. Scary, scary. If you see me running for it, it's probably because I hear a tree snap and coming down, and I don't know where it's going to be coming down from. So, and when you're surrounded by huge evergreens, it's scary when you hear one of them things snap. And yes, people's homes and lives have been lost to the trees coming down around here. So it's not an unfounded fear. Alrighty, so there are my my dahlias potted up in this shallow tray so they can start sprouting. And it's called pre-sprouting. And then I will take cuttings. Now I have a video already out there on how I take dahlia cuttings to propagate. And Santa Cruz Dahlia, she's a dahlia breeder, grower, has beautiful ones. She also has videos on it. and is very, very knowledgeable. And I would love to try breeding. Just if I had the space, garden space, I think I would love to try that, just for the fun of it. Or even like dahlias or iris or any of those. Just, it would be fun to try. But then I'm kind of a garden geek like that. Alrighty, so there is my tray of dahlias potted up, planted up. I have another container in there to do of dahlias. Let me see what color this one is. Let's see. Let's see, what color is this one? American Sunset. Oh, this is one I've wanted for a long time. It's beautiful. It's got pinks with little hints of orange in it, so it's almost like a tropical looking coloration, at least to my estimation. So I will put this over on my rack over here. I think I have a spot down here that'll fit for now until I can make space up here. And pretty soon we'll be getting a lot more sun in here, and it will be perfect for them. So even though it does get quite cold, they'll be fine. I've had my dahlias do great in here, no matter what. So squeeze them in over here next to my bare root delphiniums I put up. And I will get this one done. You don't need to watch me do that because it's the same routine. Then we will come back in a few weeks, especially if it warms up, and we'll take cuttings, and I'll show you how I do that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on me planting up a few dahlias to pre-sprout them to take cuttings, and I will see you in my next video where hopefully I'll have more room in my greenhouse. Right now it's really cluttered up and messy because I haven't been able to come in and out easily through the snow to start taking stuff out that needs to go. It's just kind of accumulated. But I will get to that. But I still enjoy being in here doing videos for you, and rather than in my house. I started to set this up in the house, and it's just no fun in there. I love coming out here even though it's a bit chilly. But I have my little heater. You ever walk by those dish heaters in Costco that just all of a sudden blast you with warmth? That's what I have, and let me tell you, it's quite cozy right over here in this corner. And it's already brought it up to almost 50 degrees in here, so not bad at all. All right, I will see you in my next video.